Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to look at comedones. Please click subscribe and the notification bell for more updates. Also, check out our free Roku channel. There's a link in the description below. A comedo is a clogged hair follicle or pore in the skin. Keratin and skin debris combine with oil to block the follicle. A comedo can be open, as in a blackhead, or closed by skin, as with whiteheads, and can occur with or without acne. The word comedo comes from Latin meaning to eat up, and was historically used to describe parasitic worms. In modern medical terminology, it's used to suggest the worm-like appearance of the expressed material. The chronic inflammatory condition that usually includes both comedones, inflamed papules and pustules, is called acne. Infection causes inflammation and the development of pus. Whether a skin condition classifies as acne depends on the amount of comedones and infection. Comedones should not be confused with sebaceous filaments. So what are the causes? Oil production in the sebaceous glands increases during puberty, causing comedones and acne to be common in adolescence. Acne is also found premenstrually and in women with polycystic ovarian syndrome. Smoking may worsen acne. Oxidation rather than poor hygiene or dirt causes blackheads to be black. Washing or scrubbing the skin too much could make it worse by irritating the skin. Touching and picking at comedones might cause irritation and spread infection. It's not clear what effect shaving has on the development of comedones or acne. Some, but not all, skin products might increase comedones by blocking pores, and greasy hair products like pomades can worsen acne. Skin products that claim to not clog pores may be labeled non-comedogenic or non-acnogenic. Makeup and skin products that are oil-free and water-based may be less likely to cause acne. It's not known whether dietary factors or sun exposure make comedones better, worse, or have no effect. I personally use comedone extractors on my blackheads. I'll put a link below to the professional kit that I keep at my house. You should have one too.